What's up with it, Locked In fam? Welcome back to another episode of Locked In with Trey, and today marks week 4 of the Minoxidil beard journey. So you already know what it is. Let's get into these results. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. This is what it's looking like so far. You know what I mean? Let me get close so y'all can see. Yep, underneath the chin, got a few little weak spots, but the hair is there, as you can see. It's growing in, and on this side, it's growing in, you know what I'm saying? Now this right side, this is my right side, it's a little weaker than the left side, you know what I'm saying? This is about to connect under here. So I'm pretty excited about that, you know what I'm saying? The Minoxidil is really working, you know what I mean? I got a few vellus hairs popping up, like I showed y'all in the last video. I didn't shave none of this, so y'all can see the growth of that. And there's a few more popping up right here. But all of this is growing in and it's starting to connect, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's what we're working with. And with the mustache, that's what I'm working with, y'all. You know what I'm saying? It's growing in pretty good. Got a few hairs growing in right here, you know what I'm saying? It's still weak in this area. And the rest of the mustache has always been able to grow like this and even get a little thicker, you know what I mean? The chin, you know what I'm saying? The goatee, it's always been able to grow right here. Now up under the neck is pretty new, you know what I'm saying? I ain't never been able to just grow a whole bunch of hair under here. It's always been really patchy and really like light. So it's getting some action under there, you know what I'm saying? So shout out to Minoxidil for that. And like I said, on this side, it's weak, but it's growing, you know what I'm saying? I got some vellus hairs up here too as well. I'm not cutting the vellus hairs unless it get too crazy and a lot start coming in and I can like shave it down or shave down the rest of my trying to be beard to look good with the vellus hairs coming in, you know what I'm saying? But I'm not gonna cut this little straggler down until, you know what I'm saying, a few more of his homeboys try to work up on there, you know what I'm saying? But hey, that's what I'm working with so far. This is week 4. Oh, and my sideburns, you know what I'm saying? My sideburns ain't never came down this far, so that's new, you know what I'm saying? It's getting that little chin strap going on both sides. So hey, this is what I'm working with. Your boy is 32, never grown a beard before, never really had facial hair, and it's popping, you know what I mean? Thanks to Minoxidil. So if you want to try Minoxidil, I recommend it for you. And not only Minoxidil, I recommend getting you some biotin, the 10,000 mcg, you know what I'm saying? Get you some of those right there. Get you a beard wash, you know what I'm saying? This is what I got right here. I've had it for a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But I never really used it because I wasn't trying to grow a beard because I didn't think I could. But now that I'm trying to grow a beard because there's hope from the Minoxidil, get you some beard wash. This is what this is called right here. Go on and look at it, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if it'll focus in. There you go, focus in. Yes, sir. That's what I got, you know what I'm saying, washing me up. I don't think it's made for making your beard grow. It's keeping your face clean and keeping your hair healthy that's on your face, you know what I'm saying, like your beard and stuff. It's not meant for your head or anything like that. Get hair shampoo for your head, you know what I'm saying, but for your face, because it's a different texture of hair on your chin and on your cheeks and stuff than on your head. So make sure you get you some beard wash and you'll be alright. And since it's my 4th week on the Minoxidil, my first bottle is almost empty. I think I probably got maybe 1 or 2 more squeezes with it and it's done, and it's the liquid form that I had when I started out. I've since wanted to use the foam, so I went to Walmart, picked up the 3-month brand, the Equate brand, you know what I'm saying, Walmart brand, you know what I mean? Hey, and I'm gonna give the foam a try. A lot of people have said if you don't really have any hair on your face, you need to use the foam because it seeps into your skin a little bit better and it doesn't run like the liquid does. If you have a full beard and it's kind of patchy, you know what I mean, maybe you should use the liquid because that liquid will get in there and it'll be good, and the foam probably will just sit on top of your hair. So you don't want to use the foam really unless you got a beard like mine, you know what I'm saying, which is non-existent at the moment, but it's getting there, you feel me? And another thing that you need is a derma roller, you know what I'm saying? Now I got mine from Amazon. It's in my bathroom. I don't feel like getting it, you know what I'm saying, but it's black. It was an Amazon choice. I derma roll on the days that I don't really use Minoxidil that much. I still use Minoxidil on those days, but if I derma roll in the morning time, I'll use my Minoxidil at night and vice versa. I don't do it at the same time because your face will burn like the devil hit you, you feel me? So be mindful of that whenever you derma roll. Don't put Minoxidil straight on right after because you're gonna regret it, you know what I mean? But other than that, I think that's really just about it. It's time for me to take my biotin, and I haven't taken that, so I'll let y'all see the size of these pills, you know what I'm saying, and show y'all what to expect whenever y'all taking it. It's shaped a little bit like a tooth almost, you know what I'm saying? This is what it looked like. It's shaped a little bit like a tooth, you know what I mean? Like you missing a tooth or something like that. It's about that size, like one of your molars or whatever, but that's the size of it right there. It's not too big, but it's not one of the super small pills either. So I'm finna go on and take this down and get to growing this beard, you feel me? Let me go and pop this in your mouth. Gonna get some of them. Oh, almost turned against me, Lord. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know down below where you are in your beard journey, or if you're thinking about growing a beard, if you're starting a beard now. Come along with your boy, hit that subscribe button, and rock with me, you feel me? Join the Locked In fam. We having fun over here. But other than that, you know what I'm saying? Give y'all one more look at the beard, or the wannabe beard, you know what I'm saying? This is what we looking like right here. This is what we looking like under here. Then boom, boom, boom. You know what I'm saying? Mustache. Connectors, they're coming in, you know what I mean? And for those of you who are new to this channel right now in this video, I did shave it down because it was getting a little thick, so I shaved it down like 2 weeks ago, and it's coming back thicker. So if y'all want to check those other videos out, I'll, you know, leave it up here somewhere. Just hit that little circle, that little gray circle that's like right up here, and yeah, it'll take you to the playlist at the beginning, you know what I mean? So that's it, really. And you already know what it is. It's your boy Trey Smith, bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Don't you forget it. And I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, peace.